Swiss Army. Street of Shops. The guy said they were over here. The guy said they were over here. I don't know.
Well, I know there used to be a vendor.
Yeah, there used to be a bunch of them over
Yeah,
there.
he had a bunch of them, but he moved out a couple of months ago.
I figured that. I figured that something changed here. That's all right. I'll look around. Thank you.
Did you find them?
No.
Hey, Tony, did they move them?
He said they moved them. He said they moved them.
Figured. They move all the good stuff.
Yeah. That was like 2 years. I was 2 years. I was here 2 years ago.
Oh, you're missing by 2 months.
Yeah, it's all right. That's all right. Street of Shops. They got one Leatherman looking thing. It's not a Leatherman though. It's not a Leatherman. They got knives. Yeah, it's a nice store. They got a lot of nice stuff. A lot of nice stuff. But they had more stuff when I was here originally. The Street of Shops. Street of Shops. They got some nice stuff. It's a huge place. Huge place. Very nice stuff. I don't see no Swiss Army no more. $400 antique dealer. Street of Shops. Welcome to the famous Street of Shops. Street of Shops coming at you live. No Casio watches. They had a watch here one day. It was over here. It was a name brand. I forgot the name brand. It was a name brand. I was looking at the watch. They had some nice stuff here one time, but I don't see the stuff they had originally. This is the Street of Shops. If you never came here before, check it out. Check it out. Street of Shops. Peace out, everybody. Peace out.